Be brief. Okay.
Thank you,
Ji.
Chairman, sir. I rise today to express my support on behalf of YSRCP. The Constitution Order Bill 2021, which seeks to amend the Constitution Order of 1950. The bill, as we know, replaced the entry for the Devendra Kulantan community with the Devendra Vellalar, which includes communities like Devendra Kulantan, Kalladi, Kudamban, Pallan, Pannadi, and Vathirian that are certainly listed separately in the Act. Further, the bill also creates the distinction for the Kadalian community based on the residence. Sir, as we today talk about the reservation for the scheduled caste, we must remind ourselves the famous saying Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as per which I quote, so long as not achieve social liberty, whether freedom is provided by the law, is of no avail to us. Thus, reservation under the Article 15 and Article 16, the Constitution have come to a great respite to undo the injustice of history. Sir, talking the bill at head, it addressed a long-standing demand of the 7 subjects Constitution about 17.7% of total scheduled caste population in the state Tamil Nadu. Sometimes that the committee set up by the state government under the chairmanship of Professor S. Sumanti and under the Sri Harshdas Sharma, respectively, had also favored. Moreover, the demand for the same had been raised with the Honorable Prime Minister on the several occasions since 2015, for which we must applaud the government to have acted up. Third, in light of this, we must also taken this opportunity to highlight the state government of Andhra Pradesh through the schemes, policies, measure like YSR Pension Kanuka, YSR Ashara, Amma Vadi, and Jagananna Vidya Divana. Among various others, has ensured continued support for the people belongs to the scheduled caste. Even recently, Honorable Chief Minister has the state new industrial policy instead upon providing for the additional push to the aspiring entrepreneurs, especially among underprivileged communities, particularly SCs and STs. The YS Jagan Mohan Reddy government in Andhra Pradesh has unveiled and development initiatives for the benefits of STs and ST entrepreneurs, providing higher reimbursement in the power charges and investment subsidy. A 25 price increases the reimbursement of power charges per unit. A 10% rise investment subsidy and enhancement of 9% in interest of subsidy for the macro, small and medium entrepreneurs. The notable further, the separate policy for the SCs and STs. Under Badugu Vikasam, SC and ST entrepreneurs setting up manufacturing units will get an investment subsidy for 45% with a cap of 1 crore rupees. For several sectors of transport-related units, the subsidy amount has been capped at 75 lakhs according to the policy document. The interest subsidy for MSMEs was fixed at 3%. In the industry policy has been increased by the 9% under the Badugu Vikasam. Similarly, power cost reimbursement increases 1.5 rupees per unit. Because, sir, a part of that, 25% seed capture assistance will be provided. Missionary for the first generation entrepreneurs established micros in the industrial park in AP, 6.2% plot would be reserved for the SCs and STs and 6% for STs. The SC and ST entrepreneurs need to pay only 25% of the land cost for apport, and balance payment could be done over 8 years with the 8% interest after the start of commercial products. Sir, a dedicated SC and ST entrepreneurs facilitated Sorry, sir. SC and ST enterprises facilitation shall be set up in the all these industrial centers for hand-holding support of entrepreneurship. Development programs will be taken upon the providing necessary capabilities and skills. The government will take up the capacity building, skill development, training programs, sectorial studies for the future ready investable opportunities, and identification of various marketing opportunities in the respective sector for the ST and ST entrepreneurs. As a result, all such strengthening efforts taken on the state government of Andhra Pradesh, I am happy to inform the House that, thus, the state government has been 11% reduction of the number of cases registered under the section 302 in the state within the respect of SC, along the 17% of reduction under the section of 376 and 46 reduction of reduction under the section 435 and 436 in the IPC. Sir, our CM sir is giving more and more for SCs and STs. Please give support to my CM Jagan Mohan Reddy sir. Sir, with this I conclude this expressing our party support the bill, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir.
श्री शिवाली जी
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष।